What's good, guys? So I decided to do a live recording video about this trade right here that I want to take on Euro USD. This is an Asian range session liquidity grab strategy, right? Whichever way you choose to call it. Right. So now I just want to go down and a little on how I got myself into this trade right here. As you can see, price is literally pumping right now with this little sweep of inducement right here. I'm currently up in profit. I'm gonna show you guys shortly. So this is liquidity right here. So you had a liquidity sweep, tap into this extreme block, and price is pushing right now on on Euro USD. All right, so I didn't quite get that sleek entry I expected to get simply because I took a buy right about these points, but price came down, swept me out, which I had to go with this extreme block right here. So right now I'm currently floating in profit, just as the previous loss I had. So I'm currently up in profit such as that right now. So now let me go down in a little on how I got into this trade. There's nothing much on this, right? There's nothing much to explain. Now this is Euro USD, and now let's go a little bit of explaining how this Euro USD came about. Now last week we know that Euro USD tapped into this extreme area of demand right about this point, and a lot of people were looking to buy Euro USD after price confirmation from here. All right, now if you go down to 10 minutes time frame, you're going to see a nice area of supply right here with price inefficiency. All right, so this is kind of liquidity high right here. So we are waiting for liquidity to be swept out, and as well a change of character right from that point. So what you can see is that consider after price created this lower low, price impulse to the upper side, swept out that liquidity, sold down a little bit, right, and push into this what area of demand here, area of supply, sorry. So after coming into this area of supply, price sold a little to try and respect this what supply or something. Now after respecting it a little, which is the reaction, market reaction from supply, we had this massive buy taking out that area of supply, so leaving us out with a flip zone right about this point. All right. So the reason why I'm actually going into a buy on Euro USD right now is because of what I'm going to show you right now. Let me see. Let me just get a screenshot. Okay. Now the reason why I'm actually going for buys on Euro USD right from here is simply because of Asian liquidity range what strategy, right? So we know that during Asian session, price tends to range, right? We tend to have price range, market will start ranging and all of that, right? So creating liquidity on both sides, right? Leaving market liquidity high here, liquidity low right here. All right. So before London session comes in, we usually want to see, I call it pre-London session move, right? That pre-London session move is a move that happens before London session kicks in, which this move is the move that tends to sweep out liquidity either from the upper side. If you first sweep out the upper side liquidity, then we can see for a change of character to target what the lower side what liquidity. Now this is how it works on the Asian session ranger trading style. All right. Now, but the reason why I went in for buy right from this point is that there is an area of supply or area of demand rather sitting right here on, I think it was on the 15 minutes time frame or even the 30, not 30, I think it was lower time frame, so like 5 minutes. Or was it 10 minutes? 10 minutes rather. All right. Even though that area of supply, area of demand, sorry, has been mitigated already, you can see this drop right here mitigated it, right? So I just played around that, knowing fully well that this is an area of demand and price could react from here. So I had to now go down to lower time frame, following my Asian what range type of what liquidity sweep. Now I focused on this area of demand here, area of demand right about this point, knowing fully well that if we get a sweep of liquidity low, then price could target what the liquidity high. Now I did this based on following market direction. Right, market direction on Euro USD, we know that we are set for bullish what market, and of course this is a previous day high, so this means that there's liquidity sitting right above this high. Okay, so I could even target this previous high of the day. liquidity, right? So I can even target not just this Asian high, but still target above this high right about this point, hoping for price to what sweep that what out, right? So let's just see how price is gonna play out. I'm currently in profit, and let me show you guys now. Coming to how I got the trade set up right here. Coming to how I got the trade set up. I'm going to show you guys how I got the trade set up right here using the 1 minute time frame. All right. So how I got the trade set up using the 1 minute time frame was that I told you guys that I made mention initially that I took a buy, which price took me out from that. All right. So after I took that buy right about this point, went into a little profit and dropped to take me out because my stop loss was somewhere around here. All right. So when I looked at the market and I saw that okay, there's a price engagement right here, and there's this extreme block right here, from which was the point that we literally took out what the Asian or liquidity low here. So you can see this market price action went below this low or this line of what Asian low. So I use this point here as my what's it called, as my order block, and then this first block right here as an inducement, because that's just what it usually is. So price will always induce first before giving you the main or reacting from the main order block. Now this is just a price retracement. I'm still expecting price movement to the upper side. All right. So it will be nice for me. The only time I can go break even on this trade is if I can see a break of this high. And if I see the market break that high, then that's the time I can be sure to put my stops to break even. Aside that, let me just see what the market has to do right now. And yeah, so we're all watching right now. Let's just see what the market will do. Price is currently dropping little bit against me, but I'm not in loss though. I'm currently with little profit right now, so I'll be looking to add another position if price drops. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame. I'll be looking to add extra position, or rather let me just hold the position I'm holding, because now this looks like liquidity low right here, but not really liquidity, but seems like. But I might be looking to add extra position right here, but let me just hold the position I'm holding and let's see the outcome, guys. All right. All right, so we can see that price is actually buying back again. Like I said, let me just let me just chill and see what's gonna happen. So you can see EURUSD currently massively buying up again. Same thing with GU, I believe. GU should have moved by now. I don't know why it's not moving. But anyways, EU, Euro GBP, sorry, not Euro GBP, I'm not looking at Euro GBP. EU already approached the zone that I was talking about. So and this is EURUSD buying massively right here. 3 minutes time frame, 1 minute time frame, and yeah. So 3 minutes time frame right here. So this is it. This is the zone where everything now concludes. If we have a break of this zone, which I know we're going to break that zone. If we break that zone, then definitely we are massively buying on EURUSD. So this would have been my sniper entry right about this point, but unfortunately I missed that trade setup. So if this EURUSD trade plays out, it's gonna be like 1:41 hour trade setup. Well, let's just see. Right now it's currently running 10 hour. Right, so I'm just gonna have to like put this thing back the way it was. Let me know how many RR I'm running into right now. It's like about just 3%. Had even I got that sniper entry from there, would have been about 10% right now. But nonetheless, you can see that massive rejection right there. So we're still going to take out that zone. It's just kind of people that uses support and resistance. They are the people drawing the price down. But we're going to definitely take them out. And we took them out. So EURUSD buying massively. Let me show you guys the trade right now on my chart. Wow. Massive things, man. Massive things, bro. Massive things. All right. Shit. Taking, man. Taking. What the fuck? Yeah. So this is it. GBP This is like wow. I'm impressed, man. All right. I think I'm gonna end it right here, and Let's see how many RR this is. I think this should be around 5% right now. So currently 4% though. But let's just see. We are still targeting the Asian high. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put stops to break even and hold the trade. All right, let's go ahead and put stops to break even, guys. Hopefully this price does not come back for us. Honestly, I'm gonna be pained. I'm gonna put my stops at 05863. 05863. All right. So that's it, guys. And peace be unto you all. All right. Peace.